Welcome to Woodworking 101, Basic Tools and Their Uses. In this video, we will cover the essential tools needed for woodworking and demonstrate how to use them effectively. The first category of woodworking tools are measuring and marking tools. These tools are used to measure and mark wood accurately and precisely. Common measuring and marking tools include tape measures, rulers, squares, marking gauges, and chalk lines. The next category of woodworking tools are cutting tools. These tools are used to cut wood into different shapes and sizes. Common cutting tools include hand saws, circular saws, jigsaws, band saws, and table saws. The third category of woodworking tools are shaping tools. These tools are used to shape wood into the desired form. Common shaping tools include chisels, planes, routers, and sanders. The final category of woodworking tools are joinery tools. These tools are used to join pieces of wood together. Common joinery tools include screws, nails, dowels, biscuits, and pocket hole jigs. We hope this video has given you an overview of the basic tools needed for woodworking and how to use them effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, so get out there and start woodworking.